Yeah, I can see.
I'm saying, what's the somebody be? What's the so reaction? Say,
yes, I can see, but that's it. Ora Agbam Sumano Backbone. And Abaya Shese Yamano security guard. And I say escort
military men.
With the 4 military men.
Yes.
And their commander. And a Papana I rejected say they didn't go through the legal process. The BSN Kefan Anfa. It was a letter or on the 11th of January 2022. It was a at the Aquacoma Parliament say. And I said, Aban say, or withdraw into among go through the legal process.
It is a year of free honor.
Now, on ye, you see, did you come? I mean, can I say, it may be President Kufuor,
right?
Tama President Kufuor free, Akonyaso. When any ministers now normally entitled to on ex gratia. So what happened is the parliamentarians, their ex gratia were paid. But President Kufuor the day ni ntuaka. You understand? Eti ebeye kasawo Ghana hanina. Ama abekaya at that time.
My main correct way one. Me backbone a withdraw a chief of staff.
Chief of staff.
Yes.
And I withdraw.
Yeah.
No, give me the
Major General, Chief of Staff.
Chief of Defense Staff.
Yes.
On the red draw. Office of the Chief of Staff.
Yes. It's a point of correction there.
It's on the red draw say.
Yeah. It says 4 military men no. Ye nyom free on them. O man fa kwampa so. Na ye dem ma omonti no. Hence say you free on them.
Yeah, okay. It not say.
Sir.
Okay. That's all kind you na. Honorable Aban Sumano Backbone. Okay.
Opa kind of honor na atiefo any ahwefo so.
All right.
Every honor ti kind honor na onyanti ase yi.
I say office of the Chief of Staff, General Headquarters, Ghana Armed Forces, Burma Camp. Yeah. We are not there sure say Right Honorable Agban Sumano Kentford Backbone, Speaker of Parliament of Parliament House Accra. Withdrawal of military personnel attached to the office of the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament. Or said the undernamed military personnel were attached to the office of the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament without the proper procedure.
Yes.
It was Domudiaba Edomo Nabesa Betuabate Brenitino WO1 Jafaru Baura. And a WO11 Warrant Officer 2 Apubga Awuni David and a Agbile Prosper and a Sergeant Bonnie Prince. It is humbly requested that the personnel are withdrawn with the effect from 14th January 2022 whilst efforts are made to regulate their attachment. Okay. Reportedly submitted, please. All right. Okay, Matthias.
I feel what you say. Nti the honor no.
That is a Chief of Staff. And I withdraw that and is a Oman Fakwan Papa so.
Chief of Staff Defense.
Chief of
Nti she honor you, mami.
Oh, but it is written Office of the Chief of Staff. First, the Chief of Hey. Uko TV ni so I will say
yeah, they are two Facebook.
Uko Facebook I will say ya Office of the Chief of Staff, General Headquarters. But ebia when we say mistake the by say Office of the Chief of Defense Staff because on also the office e wa Burma Camp. So the bichi. And yeah, you see processor e wa Parliament. Na e dosu yi pa me enka ebeye me se de bia no ye cheche nkofo man nkofo hu enye ye bibi adwuma nemum eye is supposed to be the office of the parliament so e bia the clerk of parliament and as a corporate affairs madam Kate Adonum nanka omo ba bonten be cheche ama yimu bi hu
man cheche
because say Office of Chief of Staff or Office of Defense Staff, Office of Defense Staff.
Yes.
Etimide. and normal say call parliament. That's one proper process so all the BG. Na say yes I withdraw. It is sad for the country. Yes. It shouldn't be like that. Because
Maya Ejika can be too mudi.
It will be a conforming day. Conforming day. Na say a kobase process I have fasten yetia. Na ano di ye pa. Na maybe bisa say a dear the Bebama in the first place. Office of Defense Staff. Ede a soldier former come the Speaker of Parliament say of Amon Hobai. Speaker of Parliament, 7 prediasa. A cabin what they Ghana nibi. Bonnet ben wire Ghana nibia. Police for a at least we can assign to 1 or 2 police personnel. The Speaker of Parliament say on garden and that's on escort. Dance ye befa 4 military. The man say on fa a mon hobai. Minim said the cost of Parliament no. But said the cost of Parliament no. You could me ko butu speak up akonya tochene ye timi to 2 blows Parliament ye timi di blade Parliament ye timi di juju ko show obi akonya so Parliament parliamentarian timi born yon kwasum Parliament. Parliament or the floor of Parliament there. Let's say beer and Nuntina, ye di military ko there. Then it's a sign say it's a sad for this country because Ghana, babia, ibinu manwene ye kabi mami kabi amamu odi adru. Ehun hia say parliamentarians be here a huge security escort before ansana or feel comfortable. You understand? JB Dankwa Edu 7 Pedasa, the late Ifrimuno. Parliamentarians ni be a proposal on the floor of Parliament. Say, Yamwa, naka parliamentarian biano, ya sign, naki nya police personnel and famano. Asemi bayi, Ghana for ye mubino, eka se no debi, e dosu dodo, so de bichi. Parliamentarian de, nka ye nimno, ye betimi a private security personnel bi di amount. Na ya sanction, assign say, se back critical betimi atutuo ye yes ade no a near the manual parliamentarian ntua na ka anase parliament no epe kwa bi na ye fantua sa ankofo no ka danse ye be assign 1 police personnel diama 275 per year for say parliamentarians because at the quality emu bi ni e kone say 1 Ghana before na nado dan kwa kufu ado ebeba no na police personnel in this country were about 26,000, 28,000 or something. It did not yet be meeting the benchmark of UN. So the Michi. Now the down Kwaku for Adobayan. Why your recruitment be breediaba or police personnel, police service, Eddie Biabe County. Say, you estimate to say Ghana, we have little over 30,000 police personnel. So 30,000 police personnel, we still haven't met the UN benchmark.
The police to civilian
ratio. We haven't still met it. You understand? Yeah. And we to over here. Adequate amount police for be. You call police service. You be more high. Your mom and your mahome. You be more on my say you rotate to be query. You never po and yes adium. It is say your shortage of police personnel. Near sound equity 275. Esa Efrim all the BJ. Yep. Ya besa a deficit. And no sad than China. Apart from South 275, the Article 75, Article 71 office holders now. And what Ghana in the chief of staff, you say, special prosecutor, speaker of parliament, clerk of parliament, corporate affairs. They are also entitled to
CEOs.
Now they are also entitled to police escort. It's a basani ke call muboma. Na ye short the ye friend say police personnel na
police civilian
ratio na ese oboboy hobai. Eti the come na kwesi say parliament eye no normal year. se parliament apodi the democracy no Ghana ye pe no se parliament ankoye se country or parliament oda no ada parliamentary be one man ko be here police escort Jamaica no what you say that's it ye ba 1992 if you could that time man free a military junta eba the civilian rule
soldier amamu
eba civilian rule satan no kwa na nkofo bi ho do a obo reservations nkofo bi no mu military I resign if the military no aba civilian akọ parliament time no me military no o ma di boni bi nkofo bi free say nkofo we have to take revenge against them but even that nkofo no more parliament no me military kwa no nkofo no they did not go with police escort but yet BBS 96 2000 nanado dan kwakufu adomo parliament do ajahomo jirasamo e parliament feliso uso Japan no adokofo bo parliament no saa time no na Ghana kra na efisi democracy no yenyi nu baabia no they didn't need the police escort. How come that ye hear police escort? It's all about the crop of parliamentarians it's all about say ene enkofo eboka ko parliament etintokwa won kuni na say wo kuntokwa manaban aba Jamaica right say wo kuntokwa parliament manaban aba no akoteka
ne ye die nti
sanity etiawa na owura asuma no babe media makase papa no yemo no ho ban men contradict asma me kan nemo me kase yemo no ho ban a chese papa no yen krokro no fi se obie no a wache wo fie ho se no since 1992 no ye cop ayi no civilian rule no papa na tena parliament ebesine even the last time one cop parliament kwa no watimi be speaker of parliament obie no ho wate parliament aduma ase che papa no
experience no
owo adie bia good adie bia e fata no se ese de man escort ese de man na mumle bi na or driver the executive every parliament and confront ase ne ye kase papa no bae no ene o mami ehunu se sa executive sa na omoba parliament se parliament to aba no mo ye void voter ye mo tra parliament no it is against the standing orders of parliament ni ebu bi ni enim efise de bia no ye nya hunch parliament da de bia no aban no a obo aba owa de wa wini power no or say we need massively in parliament it will win massively in parliament ono anu kofo ni nipa and a speaker of parliament it is executives ne ba betra parliament ontimi drive omo away because at the quotia backben epeso sam kofo ni na eko including journalists and obi bia we are legal to be in the house of the August House during voting in the say one say ye beto aba ye de ye voice na beto mo amofo sese akosi ntia moa ene ye pon a onkofie mon ka say here mo amopesa mo ga yi no anase bia mon ka say yes mo ka say no si am executives ne tena ho a ye wo hanch parliament omo so betimi atemu bi abre bi mu nye parliamentarians
yes
ufo biti se owura free akoto oye former MP kwada so basisi amana o kase we minister of agric or executives no but when you parliamentary it will kwatra parliament ni ebeto aba no ampam no a opese koyie ma ono no na ban no obetimi atemu bi ama yes vote ne bi akosoro ama speaker akojiatu se speaker we anya saade no nim se saade no say ye to aba esese emu obi api papa ni nim de pa na mumle bi ebeto odwa se yese ya la nkofoma omofa Ghanaian language enko parliament ya la nkofoma omofa yenko kan Ghanaian language e parliament fi se ki de Ghanaian dialect local dialect de ko parliament
fa se bi atwi kasa
Dagbani
na
akankasa e wo Dagbani ga emone sa yi no ye de ko parliament ka be hu nimdie for pa e wo parliament ana isi kasa ye ka obian ka ne kasa wo parliament a aka ba hu se ye benya nimdiefo pa o mo parliament si am no kasa yo the 8th parliament ko fu bi o madrumu do but one brofo no a problem and how obe communicate effectively akeka no mabom ne level of thinking analytical prowess no ebia ni ho na mo se bia kwane kuom kasa mu a anko betimi express no hu yi eti this concern were drawn concerns were drawn and you push them out parliament honorable chairman say it shouldn't be allowed and it is not allowed to speak Chi or any Ghanaian local dialect in parliament.
Apologies to Mevisa Masay.
Yes. Now listen. In the Third Republic, somebody stood up and spoke Chi. He was not allowed. So Honorable Chairman Sabusu used that as a precedent. And what they better butter you say buttress to butter his argument.
Yes.
Now, this Speaker of Parliament stood up and said, look, when you read the Order 47 of Ghana Parliament, Mamen Kai Kakra and Fancho,
Abusia Ansana Kofi Frimpon, Ziga, Ebde, na Jinchano, Nemu John Babano. Yes, so I'm join you on Facebook, na mon share and Semahodo, Yedi Nina Egu or Mupi, na Moshe Namuni Hua Dancy. Kofi, I already at Yanko.
And a Speaker of Parliament, we Honorable Babin, sorry, no say, quoting 47 of the standing orders of Parliament, or say, proceedings of Parliament shall ordinarily be conducted in English language. Shall. Say, you're conducting in English. Good. Then let me continue. Proceedings of Parliament shall ordinarily be conducted in English language, except that a member may exercise option to address the House in either Akan or in Zema, Ga, Eve, Hausa, Dagbani, Dagari, or in any other local language, provided facilities exist in the House for its interpretation. Jamaica Racha say, not just say, or person what say, okay, Order 47 no. Proceedings on the floor of Parliament. Yeah, the English and as I said, yeah, a member of Parliament is sorry, no so per se. We're expressing a whole with the local dialect. As I say, house, no, a provided facilities. House no provided a facilities. A bit me, I interpret a better interpretation of assembly or kind. Not just say, technically, we can speak local dialect in Parliament. Providing say, your facilities are, you bet me the church. How did not be this speaker? I can say no more in the